instant miracles.
What is it?
Man of God, this young man here is deaf. His ears are blocked for the past 8 years, but he used to hear before when he was growing up. And it happened that due to this problem, he underwent 3 major ear operations in such a way that the doctors couldn't find the proper solution to this. Right now, as he's standing here, his ears are producing something that is like a pus or a blood, something that looks more like blood that is coming out of his ears. And he is in pain right now, man of God. And this coming week, he is also booked to undergo another 4th operation, and is desperately in need of his miracle, man of God.
Thank you so much. Okay. It's yet another critical condition. Let the doctor analyze it first. We need to, that's like I said, we work together with these people. Right. Unless we are able to understand the intensity of the matter, the miracle cannot be intense. It cannot be any special miracle unless we know how serious the matter is. Analyze the situation, and then I'm waiting for those people. Leave him. No peace when mechisa. Chichiri kunetsa baba.
Ndakadictiwa neforgery and ndakatanga kushuta 1976 up to now handingoni kuiregedza.
From 1976 makatanga kuputa forgeries kusvika now.
Kusvika nanhasi ndongoshuta zvino handatadza kuiregedza ndichavanhu ngaita sei.
Matadza kuiregedza. Okay.
He has been smoking since 1976. He is in his 38th year. He is addicted to smoking.
But vamwe vanhu kavanoti zvokunamatira izvo zvina basa hanzi munozviitisa vanhu imimi munogona kungoiregedza. Hazvigoni. Ndozvinotaura vanhu kakunzi kutambisa munamato vanhu hanzi munhu ada kungoregedza forgery ngaangoregedza chete asina kunamatira.
We also want to quit smoking, man of God.
So let's have few people moving around, please. I want everybody to see. This is not like, it's one thing to do it privately and then we give you videos. It's one thing to do it right there. These things are not acted out. This is real. Okay? In the name of Jesus. Listen to this. Through the name that is above every other name, I stand here as a man of God. I will not allow you to smoke again. That addiction is gone. Healed in the name of Jesus, the addiction is gone. You are free.
Testimony outside here, men of God. The men you prayed for who were addicted to smoking, the men you prayed for who were addicted to smoking, one of them is saying his nose are blocked, and this man right here is saying yakundinhuhira ndichatombogona yakundinhuhira, and we keep telling him try again, but he's saying try it again. that, listen to that, listen to that. He's saying, meaning to say it's impossible now. He's saying, that's smelling gas.
Because of that, he had become deaf. But I'm just talking to him. I'm surprised he's looking at me and he's saying, "What are you saying?" And he's even answering me back. And the mother is also amazed. His hearing has come back. He was deaf.
anga asinganzwe zvachose achibuda urwa munzeve asi iko zvino mushure memunamato.
It's all right, let's have more people. Let's have more people. Let's have more.
You're watching Instant Miracles,